All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI create viral social media posts for you in 7 minutes or less using the Assassin Tools AI assistant. Now, this creates social posts that you can post on Facebook, X, or Instagram, providing that you have your social media accounts connected to this system. Now, the first thing you want to do, once you get the Assassin Tools, you can get it by clicking the link in the description below. First thing you want to do is you want to come out down this list once you log in and come into Social Post AI, okay? And this is where you're going to create your social post. What you're going to do, you're going to put in the product that you're promoting. Okay, you're going to tell what the problem is, the solution, the call to action, and tonality. Now, what I've done is just made up something, AI social media post creator. You know, I can put tool in here just so you know. Okay, let's put AI viral. Let's put viral in there as well. We're going to put viral in there. And then the problem is can't come up with viral. Let's put viral in there. Social media post ideas for their business, service, or products. Okay, the solution is invest in the best viral social media AI social assistant tool that creates viral content to demand their ideal avatar attention and make them, let's put them in there, want to buy whatever they are promoting. Call to action, check out this viral AI social media content creator tool. Tonality, I just put simple, funny, and in the second person. Now what we're going to do here is click generate. I'm going to let the AI assistant do its thing. Now, like I said, you can get this inside of Assassin Tools, and then I'm going to show you how to get it and what else you get with this as well. Okay, that's going to help you. So now you see the post here. Pause this video and you can read it for yourself. But this is the Facebook response. Okay, this is the X/Twitter response, and this is the Instagram post, okay, response right here that you can use. And as I said, pause the video. I'm going to pause just for a minute, so you can pause the video right here, okay, and read that. And you can also make tweaks to this, you know, whatever you want to do. Here goes to Twitter. Okay, you're going to pause it right here so you can kind of check that out for yourself. And then here's the Instagram. Just pause the video and read it for yourself. As I said before, you can tweak this and put in whatever you want, but this can give you some ideas, or you can use it as is. Okay, so this is the actual post right here that it gives you, and you can put in whatever you want over here. Anytime you get ready to make a post, you can do 5 or 6 of them in a row. You know, change up the text here as you want to, as many times as you want. Okay, and it gives you the post. So what you want to do is click copy over here, and once you have copied it, you want to come over to your, also still inside of AI Assassin Tools, you're going to come over here to your post. Now you can create your new post. I only have my Facebook account click to this, connected to this, but if you want to connect, you know, your Instagram and X, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube, you can do that. You'll be able to set up all of those by clicking on here to connect your socials. So if we go back, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click create new post. I'm going to create a post. I'm going to choose my social account, that one there. I'm going to come here and we're going to right click and let me see, and paste. And there's the post. Okay, let's go back up here. We got a lot of space in here. And there's the post. Now what you want to do, you got your post in there. We can also add an image. You can use AI here, okay, but if you want to add an image, we can click right here and we're going to create an image with AI. And understand this feature is a paid service and will incur charges based on your usage, so just know that. And we're going to come in here and let's type you can try an example as well. So if you want to try an example, you can do that right there. And that's going to give you an example, but panda, see how you do it, panda eating bamboo in a tropical forest or something like that. That's not what we're looking for, but we're going to let's just type in, I don't know, viral. Let me think of something and I'll be right back. So I put woman sitting in front of her PC typing. We're gonna click generate. See what it gives us. It takes a little time for it to do it, but once it's generated, everything's gonna be all right. You can just inject it into your post. So if you like that right there, you can select the image. You can generate new content. Let's see, let's generate a new one. Let's put happy. Nope, let's do this right here. I want to put thinking because it kind of go with what the theme. Let's click on that right there. We're going to generate. This is costing me a little piece of change, but that's all right because I really want you to get the gist of this. You can put many variations here if you want. Okay, so that image is okay. I'm going to click continue and it injects it into the post. Now once it injects it into the post, the only thing you have to do is come right here and let's read this post. Let's make sure we have a call to action. It's like having a secret tucked in your pocket. See here, said leaving you more time, and we're going to come down and put in, let's just say, ask me how. Then we're gonna put an emoji, and we'll just come down through here and do a smiley face. Okay, and that puts it over there. And then we're gonna come over here to post, and we're gonna click schedule to post, or you can do it now. We're gonna schedule this one out to, let's see, we can do the 13th. You can pick your time that you want to schedule. You can say 7. Let's do 7 o'clock a.m. If you know what time your people are online, you can do that. And we're going to schedule that post. And now that post is scheduled, just like I have another schedule also in here. You know, you can upload from CSV, Social Planner templates. We have all the templates in here. If you want to use some templates and things like that, automotive, whatever you want to use, holidays, got holiday templates, all that stuff right there if you want to use that. So that's pretty much how you use the tool. Okay, and let's go back over this again. So you're going to come into Assassin Tools. You're going to be in your launch pad. You're going to come down, scroll down till you get to Social Post IA. You're going to put in the product, the problem, the solution, the call to action, the tonality, and click the generate button, and it's going to generate for them. You're going to click the copy button. Okay. Once you click the copy button, you come over here in Assassin Tools. Still in Assassin Tools, you're going to come back to marketing and create a new post, and that's it. That's as simple as it gets. So now you can create, make AI create viral social media posts for you in 7 minutes or less. That was really less than 7 minutes. And once you get it done, you can keep creating. Okay, you can keep creating more posts over here around your product, service, or ideas that you have. Click that copy button. Once you click that copy button, you're good to go. You want to do it on Twitter or X, click the copy button, you're good to go. Instagram, click the copy button, copy the clipboard, and it's copy. Then you can go to Instagram. As I said before, you can even use these little posts like this in your Facebook profile if you want to, and you decide you want to do that. So I hope you got value out of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for other videos that I do around the Assassin Tools and AI assistant tools that's going to help you with your affiliate marketing business. With that being said, subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.